Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that incorporating stability ball rollouts into your workout routine can help improve balance and coordination for individuals with neurological issues? This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, now you're going to do rollouts, ab rollouts on the ball. So you can have your feet as wide or as close as you want. Closer is a little harder, more balance challenge. But this is really more about how far back you're going to put your hands and your forearms on the ball. So go ahead and kneel down. Now you can put your hands in different ways. Like, so clasp your hands and let your elbows come apart. So you can kind of roll out a little bit like that. Roll out. Do it a little bit. Just roll out. Just demonstrate the hands. That's all. Roll out. Now, all right, stop. Now put your hands on it like this. Yeah, and do it like that. Or now do this with your hands like this. Good. All right, now which way for you seems easiest? This way? All right, so now you want to start way back there. The hands way back, like almost on the side of the ball. It's not going to go anywhere. Ready? Come on up. As far as you can. You don't really want your body to move. You don't want your body shifting back and forth. You want all the movement to come from the shoulders, the arms. Now stop. Stop. Reposition yourself. Be back further down the ball. Might have to push the ball away from you a little bit to get down on it. More than that. More. More. Right there, right there. Now, it's not going to go anywhere. Now get in place. Now roll out. You see you have more clearance. You can stretch out further. If you're already halfway over the ball, how far can you stretch out, you know? Now stop. Reposition yourself to start again. This time, I want you to put your feet pretty wide for you to show the difference in how, and when somebody tries it and they see it, with your feet wider, you're going to be more stable. It's going to be a little less of a balance challenge. So you can just, go ahead. With your feet close or wide, just that variable alone, I would start with my feet wider, and then to make things more difficult or more challenging, I would bring them in more and more. Now stop. Now bring them in close, like feet together. See how hard that is. They don't have to be exactly together, but pretty close. All right, ready? Harder. Butt down more. Oh, yeah. See, it's way harder. All right, stop. Now we're going to do rollouts with a smaller ball. So that's less surface area. It's going to be more difficult, more of a balance challenge. Start. Kneel down, put your hands, position your hands, your forearms on the ball. This one, at least the first attempt, you're going to have your feet really wide. Okay, ready? Go. Stretch out there. Stretch your arms out. Good. Stop. Now, try it with your feet closer.
I know that on a feet hard.
Well, I just want to contrast doing it with the larger ball to the smaller ball. Oh, yeah. Good. Stop right there.
In conclusion, let's recap the amazing benefits of including stability ball rollouts in your workout regimen. Improved core strength, enhanced stability, and better overall functionality are just a few of the perks you can expect. Give stability ball rollouts a try. Incorporate them into your fitness routine and feel the difference for yourself. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below to inspire others on their fitness journey. Let's do this together.